Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by aligning prerequisites. What part 132 tests and which vocabulary appears most? Once ready, open the lesson file and skim structure for 2 minutes. This orients you. Make sure to set a 25-30-minute focused block and ready your notebook. Then begin the first 2 exercises. Work deliberately. Read prompts aloud, mark unknown words, and answer without overthinking. This creates momentum, so you don't waste time. It primes memory and reveals early trouble spots. Once done with the opening exercises, move into targeted drills. You alternate 5 7-minute micro drills on grammar, vocabulary, and comprehension. After each drill, check answers and record mistakes. Then, use a 10-20-minute spaced review to re-expose yourself to errors. This cements retention. Make sure to paraphrase correct answers aloud and practice pronunciation. That trains production versus recognition. Keep transitions tight and adjust difficulty if you plateau. To finish, synthesize learning in a 10-minute self-test covering weak spots and new items. You score yourself, calculate error patterns, and write one clear plan for the next session. If you still struggle, reduce scope. Target a single sentence pattern and repeat it 5 times, gradually increasing complexity once consistent. Should problems persist, check sources, misunderstood prompt, or audio issues, then rerun the problematic item. That troubleshooting step saves time and keeps progress steady.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.